Hello. How you people doing? Doing good? Alright, good. Well, today I just feel like doing nothing. Just sit here and do nothing and, just try to relax. At least that's what I'm going to attempt to do. I don't really know if I will, but you know what? I'll give it a shot. Yeah. I'll give it a shot. Yeah. My name's Mike. Yes, I'm in a new room. I've never explored this room before. And it looks fabulous. Ah! Oh, hey, look who decided to show up. Yeah, hi. How you doing? You doing good? Yeah, I'm doing good. Good. Well, I just came by to say that my tail looks absolutely fabulous. Look at that thing. It's so waggy, so orange, so beautiful. Jump! I almost didn't make that. Your butt smells good. I want to keep smelling it. No. Oh. Why? All I want to do is just talk. Instead, she's kind of dumb. Yay. Yay. Notice how I'm grabbing this? It's freaking beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Rub. 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 Oh my god, it's freaking wood. Oh my god, it's wood. Rub. Rub. It's freaking wood.